Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to add the DSers extension to your Shopify store. But before we get started, I want to ask you a question. Are you looking for a way to save time and money on your dropshipping business? If so, then the DSers extension is the perfect tool for you. DSers is a powerful e-commerce platform that allows you to easily source products from AliExpress and other suppliers. With DSers, you can automatically import products into your Shopify store, set your own prices, and manage your orders all in one place. Benefits of using DSers. There are a number of benefits to using DSers, including saves time. DSers automates many of the tasks involved in running a dropshipping business, such as product sourcing, pricing, and order fulfillment. This frees up your time so you can focus on other aspects of your business. Saves money. DSers offers competitive pricing on products, and you can also save money on shipping costs by using their built-in shipping calculator. Increases sales. DSers helps you to find and source the best products to sell, which can help to increase your sales. Improves customer satisfaction. DSers makes it easy to track your orders and provide excellent customer service. How to add DSers to your Shopify store. Now that you know the benefits of using DSers, let's get started on how to add it to your Shopify store. Go to the DSers website and create a free account. Once you have created an account, click on the Install DSers button. You will be redirected to the Shopify App Store. Click on the Add to Cart button. Once you have added DSers to your cart, click on the Checkout button. You will be prompted to enter your payment information. Once you have paid for DSers, you will be able to download the extension. Once you have downloaded the extension, double-click on it to install it. Once DSers is installed, you will need to activate it. To activate DSers, go to your Shopify admin dashboard and click on the Apps tab. Click on the DSers app. Click on the Activate button. Once DSers is activated, you will be able to start using it. How to use DSers. Now that you have DSers installed, let's take a look at how to use it. To add products to your store, go to the Products tab in your Shopify admin dashboard. Click on the Add Product button. Enter the name of the product you want to add. Select the AliExpress option. Enter the URL of the product you want to add. DSers will automatically fetch the product information, including the name, description, images, and price. You can now set your own price for the product. Once you have set your price, click on the Save button. The product will now be added to your store. Additional tips. Here are a few additional tips for using DSers. Use the DSers Chrome extension to find products. The DSers Chrome extension allows you to search for products on AliExpress and other websites and automatically add them to your DSers account. Use the DSers shipping calculator to estimate shipping costs. The DSers shipping calculator allows you to estimate the shipping cost for a product before you add it to your store. Use the DSers order management tool to manage your orders. The DSers order management tool allows you to track your orders, process returns, and issue refunds. DSers is a powerful tool that can help you to save time and money on your dropshipping business. By following the steps in this video, you can easily add DSers to your Shopify store and start using it to source products, set prices, and manage your orders. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And if you're ready to start using DSers, click on the link below to create a free account. Thanks for watching.